Finally, tonight, a company in Oregon has developed a new way to save the lives of gunshot victims, technology that has already proven effective in war zones. Here's DeMarco Morgan.
You insert the applicator into the wound, which
it looks like a turkey baster.
The sponges are actually deployed this way.
It's designed to save lives.
They immediately begin to expand and absorb fluid and put pressure right at the site of bleeding.
Well, Fox works for RevMedics in Wilsonville, Oregon, and their device is called XSTAT, an applicator filled with 92 sponges meant to absorb blood and exert pressure on trauma wounds to stop bleeding. The FDA cleared XSTAT for military use in 2014, and U.S. Special Operations purchased hundreds.
They couldn't get the bleeding to stop in his leg, and they ended up using the XSTAT dressing.
Sergeant Major Kyle Sims is a combat medic with Special Operations. Sims says it's a tough art to pack a wound using traditional methods like gauze to stop the bleeding.
It might take you 4 or 5 minutes to get that wound taken care of, whereas with XSTAT it takes, 10 to 20 seconds to get all the dressing in place.
In December of last year, the FDA cleared XSTAT for civilian use. During events like San Bernardino and other mass shootings, in addition to natural disasters and car accidents, the time XSTAT saves to stop bleeding can then be spent assessing other vitals.
If it just increases survival by a couple of percent, and if you expand that to now the civilian population, you're talking about thousands of people that don't bleed to death that would have bled to death.
XSTAT currently costs several $100s per applicator. That's a price the company hopes to start reducing after rollout for civilian use this month. DeMarco Morgan, CBS News, New York.